How to install WhatsApp for Windows. You must already have a WhatsApp account on your mobile. Start by opening the Windows Store by clicking the Store icon on your taskbar or searching for Store from the search bar. Click in the search box, type WhatsApp, and click on WhatsApp Desktop. Click the blue Get button. The download can take a few minutes depending on your connection. Once finished, click the blue Launch button or the Launch button on the pop-up that appears. Congratulations, you've installed WhatsApp on your device. Follow the above instructions on your mobile. On your mobile, you will see this message. Press OK and then point your mobile camera at the QR code, the black and white square above. You can now see your messages in WhatsApp on your PC, laptop or tablet. Click on any of the conversations on the left to be able to type messages.